guys, thanks for watching. As of lately, I've been really into peachy coral cheeks. I feel like they add a nice warmth to the skin, and since having a newborn at home and not getting a lot of sleep as of lately, whenever I do end up putting makeup on, I try to fake a rested skin as much as possible. Honestly, that's all I'm ever trying to do is just basically hide any signs of being tired, which I know sometimes it's impossible, but I did find these shades to work the best on me whenever I try to look a little bit more awake. Today I wanted to talk about my favorite three face palettes. Actually, they are more like cheek palettes that I've been loving lately, and I feel like they are really great products, very versatile. Yeah, if you guys are curious to see, just keep on watching. So I also like the fact that these have usually a highlighter and bronzer included, so I don't have to look for a separate product when doing my makeup in the morning. There are two face trios, and then one is just a blush duo, but I wanted to mention it because I've been really loving it as of lately. Alright, so the first product I've been absolutely obsessed with is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Threesome and shade Rice. It's the face palette, and it comes with a blush, highlighter, and a bronzer. I've been using this the most because the bronzer as well as the blush are more on the matte side, and then the highlighter is a very subtle highlight that just is perfect for everyday wear. It doesn't look too shimmery on the skin. It's very day appropriate and very flattering. So I've been really loving these three shades, and I've already mentioned that on my Instagram, the entire Urban Decay Stay Naked collection that the brand came out. I've been obsessed with the packaging. I don't know, it's just something about the simplicity, yet like just looks so classy and nice, high quality. I love it. And the quality of the products too. I had the chance to try the foundation, the concealer, and the face powder, and I've been super impressed with all three. And I've been using them constantly since their release. And this cheek palette is really great because it also comes with a mirror, so it comes really handy. I like that it's sleek. It can fit in my bag really nicely, and I don't have to worry about bringing another, additional items with me whenever I'm going somewhere and I just want to touch up my makeup throughout the day, which actually happens really rare as of right now because we are, kind of like stuck at home because of the coronavirus. But, I'm just saying, in general, Urban Decay improved its formula, and I can definitely tell a difference, especially when playing with the cherry. The Naked Cherry face palette, which I also like, but I can definitely tell you a difference. The formula of this face palette is more creamy. It's just feels softer, and I feel like especially the highlighter, is just a little bit more subtle and less chalky feeling, So I've been really liking it. So the next face palette I want to talk about is the Pixie Beauty PixiGlow Cake in shade Gilded Bear Glow. I mean, just look at it. It looks so pretty. It's like a nice gradient, and it's not just a spray on. I really like the fact that, like, even if I swirl my brush around it or use it multiple times, I mean, it still looks pretty. The great thing about it is that in the packaging, it looks kind of shimmery. So I was expecting the bronzer to be more on like a, shimmer side, but it's actually nice and satin. So it's very flattering. It's not too much. So sometimes I like to either apply, depending what I'm going for. It might be the blush, might be the bronzer, just skip the highlighter, or I can just swirl my brush around and apply a mix of it, and it looks pretty. So I've been really liking this one, and I've been wearing it a lot lately. The formula is very nice and soft and creamy, blends great, no issues there. The only thing is that I wish it would have a mirror. I enjoy face palettes that have mirrors because of the reason I told you before when I was talking about the Urban Decay one. But the packaging is the usual Pixie makeup packaging, the green top, and usually they have a clear, what you call it, covers. The third and last product is actually a blush duo. It doesn't have a bronzer. It doesn't really have a highlighter either because on my skin tone at least, it looks a little bit, so it's a little bit too dark on my skin tone, the highlighter, so I like to mix it up, both shades, or just use this really pretty coral pinky one on my cheeks. It has this beautiful sheen to it. It's, I don't know, it looks very glowy on the skin. I think it's a beautiful blush for like spring, summer as well, if you're, you know, when you're like a little bit tan. So I've been really loving this one. I have the Pineapple Paradise, which is the bronzer duo, and oh my goodness, guys, I've been loving it. I've been totally obsessed with it. Not only the shades are so pretty, especially the highlighter, but it smells like summer, like vacation. This one smells a little bit more peachy, and that makes sense. Not my favorite, but I still like it. I love scented makeup. I know it's not the best for your skin, but I can't help it. Alright guys, so these were my three favorite cheek palettes at the moment. I would love to find out yours. If you have a favorite one, let me know, especially if it's a drugstore. I feel like I haven't been shopping for drugstore products in a while now. I have my favorite like concealers and mascaras, but I haven't really, I don't remember ever actually trying like a face palette except for the one from Essence Cosmetics, which I really liked as well. Which probably would be a good dupe for the Urban Decay. I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. It's definitely one of the brands that I love when it comes to drugstore makeup. So, I mean, I've been using it since I was like back when I lived in Europe. They were really popular because they were affordable and their quality was pretty decent. And thank you so much for watching and hope you guys have a great day. See you guys next time. Bye!